What's up guys, welcome back to my garage. It's already maybe a year or something that I have showed you my garage. The bike is a little dirty because it's winter time and I have no time to clean it. And today we are going to talk about this tailbag. I bought this tailbag second hand, but it was a little purple and ugly, but now it is black and ugly. But hey, it fits my bike and yeah, I will show you today what is inside the tailbag. So, little backstory on why I have a tailbag in addition to my top case. This tailbag is for rather useless stuff that is not fitting underneath the seat, and my top case is for when I'm going to shop or something, or put my helmet in it, because I cannot fit a helmet in my tailbag. So let's open it. So here is the tailbag. Well, yeah, the contents of it, and here we see the first item. It is Cat and Wise from S100. Yeah, I bought it in rod for, let's see, the price is still on here, €6.09, and I have already refilled it. But since I have a special mod on it, some people might already know that I have a Scott oiler. I don't use this one that much, and also it has a lot of dents, so I'm quite scared that it will explode and grease everything up. So I will remove this one out of my inventory. Next up we have some zip ties. Zip ties are so useful for when you crash or something is loose on your bike, you just zip it back together. Also, if a zipper is broke, you can just pull one out, and let me show you here. You can just put it in here to add another zipper. Easy as that. The next thing is my rain overall. I have a size S. It is from IXS. You can see Orca Evo rain overall. So now you know what kind of rain overall I use, because I never knew it myself what kind of rain overall it was. I only knew it was from IXS. So rain overall, it fits in here. The next item is of course the CDA 441 logo to put on my plate when I make video. Last time I had to censor the video because I have cleaned my bike, and of course paper gets wet. I laminated it, but it already got wet in the rain sometime, so this thing is a little bit floppy. Anyway, logo, that's really nice. Next up I have this kind of cable. This cable I made with AliExpress connector, something that broke from a cigarette plug, and the original cigarette plug adapter for my GoPro Hero 7 black battery charger. This is really nice because I can route it under the seat and put it in the tailbag, so I can charge my batteries here when I have the charger with me, because right now it's still upstairs in my room. So a portable power station for my batteries. Next up we have these two pouches. They already say what it does: a health waterproof first aid kit and a repair kit. And then here we have a cargo net, should you have something that won't fit in the top case. So cargo net, also a very nice addition to the inventory. So let's open the repair kit first, because I already used it a little bit. Well, yeah, not used it, but I changed the contents. So another cargo hold down. You know I like cargo on the bike. And we have the bike repair kit. 3 CO2 canisters, some kind of CO2 adapter, so you can do this. Blah 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 blah. But don't open it, because otherwise it will explode in your face. Something what is a manual for using the bike repair kit. Well, yeah, the bike motorcycle tire repair kit. These weird things that will fit the hole. Another little manual. My anti-allergy pill. What do we have here next? Some kind of rubber cement, but it is already broken and useless. A rusty snipping tool, because why not? An angled adapter for the tire valves, because you know how hard it is for bikers to just fill up their tires at a service station. And also another anti-allergy kit. The rest of this kit is underneath the seat, but that I won't show you because then I have to take everything off, and yeah, that's too much of a hassle. So that is the tire repair kit, must have on the bike. And then we have the little first aid kit. I don't even know what is inside of it. I have taken it out. I have taken it apart already once, but now I need to see what is inside of it. I think it's gloves. Aha. So inside we have the following items, and I hope it's empty. Yes, it is empty. Bandages, gauze, some kind of rubber gloves, disinfection, towelettes, this kind of weird tape, and a special shear for opening packages and such, or opening bandages, or snipping them to size, because this is really nice. So that's kind of it for today. You saw what is in my tail bag. I have no other things for you to show for the rest of the week, because I also do not have a project bike yet. And I also do not have my packages in for cleaning up the rat's nest underneath the seat. So I will see you next time.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.